Welcome to 40 Car, your ultimate destination for the latest cars in stunning detail. Today, we're checking out the 2026 Honda Passport, a bold and sophisticated SUV. From the front view, you can see Honda's signature grille with chrome accents, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted hood lines that give it a commanding presence on the road. The metallic blue paint shines brilliantly under the showroom lights, highlighting the Passport's muscular and stylish design. Turning to the rear view, the LED taillights light up elegantly, perfectly framing the Honda badge and Passport logo. The sporty rear bumper, dual exhaust accents, and roof spoiler complete the bold look. This SUV truly combines style with functionality. Stepping inside, the 2026 Honda Passport greets you with a luxurious and high-tech cabin. The dashboard is modern and driver-focused, featuring a wide digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and a sleek climate control layout. Every button and surface is crafted with attention to detail, giving the interior a premium feel. The front seats are ergonomically designed with high-quality leather and contrast stitching, providing both comfort and support for long drives. The multifunction steering wheel, ambient lighting, and thoughtfully placed controls create a perfect blend of luxury and convenience. It's an interior made to impress, whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the ride as a passenger. Looking at the side profile, the Passport showcases bold SUV proportions with muscular wheel arches, sleek roof rails, and large alloy wheels. The high ground clearance emphasizes its off-road capability while maintaining a stylish and refined appearance. Under the hood, the engine bay reveals a meticulously designed powertrain. Every component is clearly visible, from the engine cover with the Honda logo to the hoses, reservoirs, and metallic details. This SUV is not only visually striking but engineered for performance, reliability, and efficiency. The 2026 Honda Passport truly combines modern style, advanced technology, and rugged capability, making it a standout choice for SUV enthusiasts.